What if the answer to one of humanity's biggest questions is already visible in the night sky? For decades, scientists have searched for signs of intelligent life beyond Earth. Radio signals, laser emissions, even unusual chemical signatures in distant atmospheres. But some researchers have suggested we may be looking for the wrong thing. Instead of searching for aliens themselves, what if we search for what they build? One of the most fascinating ideas ever proposed is something known as a Dyson sphere. Despite the name, it isn't actually a giant shell surrounding a star. The more realistic version is called a Dyson Swarm. Imagine millions of satellites, habitats, and solar collectors orbiting a star and capturing its energy. Why would anyone build something so enormous? Because stars produce unimaginable amounts of power. In a single second, our sun releases more energy than humanity could use in thousands of years. A sufficiently advanced civilization might eventually outgrow the resources of individual planets. If that happens, harvesting energy directly from their star could become the next logical step. And that's where things get interesting. A structure this large wouldn't be invisible. Even if we never saw the civilization itself, we might detect the heat produced by the swarm. In other words, a Dyson swarm could leave a fingerprint visible across interstellar distances. Scientists have actually searched for these signatures, not because we expect to find giant alien machines tomorrow, but because if advanced civilizations exist, some may eventually face the same challenge we will: the need for more energy. Much more energy. And the scale of these structures is difficult to comprehend. Humanity's greatest construction projects are tiny compared to what a Dyson swarm would require. We're talking about dismantling planets, mining asteroids, building millions of structures across millions of miles. A project so vast it would transform an entire solar system. Yet it may not be impossible. In fact, if humanity continues expanding into space, building larger and larger energy networks, the Dyson swarm could represent a distant future version of ourselves. Not next century, perhaps not even in the next 1,000 years, but someday. And that's what makes the idea so fascinating. A Dyson swarm isn't just a hypothetical alien megastructure. It's a glimpse of what truly spacefaring civilization might eventually become. Whether built by aliens or by our own descendants, it represents a future where an entire star becomes a resource. And if such a civilization already exists somewhere in the galaxy, we may not discover them through a message. We may discover them by noticing that one of the stars isn't behaving quite the way it should.